build it?
High five.
High five. Okay, high
Yeah, we're
five.
gonna start building it.
With no battery? Or oh no, you said you're gonna use the double A's.
Yeah,
Sorry.
batteries.
I am paying attention, I promise.
Scissor.
Daddy's very excited about this. What
Preston
did
is
you get
too.
Preston?
Got him a robot.
Robot.
A robot vehicle.
Rico.
This is what I was actually gonna build myself.
Build.
But then I found out
You-
there was a kit
You.
made by a company called MeetTheBots.
It's really cute.
Yeah, so
Cute.
I found out about them through a former colleague on Facebook, and I was like, man, this is exactly what I was gonna build. So instead of wasting my time,
Build.
it wouldn't be wasting time. It would have been a good learning experience.
How much was it though?
Cool.
So the original version was
Build it.
$70, but then they
Build it.
updated the latest versions, or updated to a newer version, and it's now 90,
Oh,
95 bucks, 100 bucks.
Wow. Build.
We're gonna build a robot.
Robot. Then robot. Wheel.
Unbox it.
Yes, and
Dashan. Wow.
We're gonna do an unboxing.
It's
So-
Dashan.
here on the left hand
Rico.
side.
Rico.
Oh.
Rico.
So
One. Rico.
it's probably the instruction manual. One robot per child.
Rico.
Wow.
Look, it's super cute.
Dashan.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So this is the cover. It's actually the board with the cover on it.
Ah, okay.
We got the circuit
Kardashian.
board.
Before you said it was exposed, right?
Yeah, before it was exposed, open top, but they improved their design
Build it.
in the latest version
Build
to have a
it.
cover, a little plastic cover.
Okay.
Dashan.
It's pretty
Dashan.
clean.
Dashan.
It looks nice.
Yeah, with
That's
the
shiny.
raised button. So far, initial impressions looks very clean. Simple for kids to set up and play with. I don't know about toddlers, but
Ooh.
Look at the outfit his dad
Well,
chose.
that's
Oh,
clean.
he sat down before I could show you his awesome pants.
and here's the chassis, which is really nice.
Ooh, I like that
designed.
color.
Jackie.
And it's,
He's talking about
Jackie.
build. I'm like, man, I like that color.
well, it's the design. The design is nice. And design includes color.
Jackie.
So they make this one, and they also make. I saw like a rose gold
Ooh, why did we get that one?
Daisy.
because.
Dashan. Build it.
Okay,
Build it.
okay, Daddy is gonna build it. Calm down.
Build it.
Yeah, you're gonna help Daddy build it, right?
Yes, you can help that.
Okay.
Oh,
These are the motors.
motors.
What
Yeah.
else?
Here
Oh,
you go.
two.
Ice.
Yep.
Don't we already have one from the
Dirty.
Arduino kit?
Yeah, but it's
Doya.
probably not as powerful.
Doya.
Oh, okay.
Jessica. Ninja.
Ooh, nice. They give us a remote as well.
Yeah.
Infrared remote.
Red
IR.
remote.
The screws. Driver.
Oh, it's a screwdriver?
Sweet.
Yeah, it's got
Driver.
Allen and a Phillips.
Oh, cool. Waddy. Waddy. Why?
Sensor. I don't know what each sensor is for.
Can you show what you're pulling out here?
Yeah, there's sensors. I'm not quite sure what modules there are. I'll find out. Some nuts and bolts. So hardware here. Battery pack.
Berry pack.
I thought they had a lithium ion one.
Iron.
Oh man.
One.
Oh, this is a
And
lithium.
two.
And we got wheels.
Wheels.
Doesn't have a battery. What?
What? That's lame. So we have to get our own battery? I thought it came with everything so we could just start
What?
building.
Yeah. The
Well, we have double
body.
A batteries for
Building.
now, but still a little
Building.
upsetting that they didn't say, hey, you need to buy a
Fix it.
battery yourself. Anyways, let's start with the build.
Can you say ready?
Ready? 1, 2, go!
Wow.
Is it gonna talk to me now?
Let's see.
Wow, Preston, that's so cool. Hi, Bot.
That's that.
He fits our family.
Mm-hmm.
It's our pet.
This is our pet.
Hi,
What should we name him? Petbot or IttyBot? No, you're already IttyBot.
His name's mBot, but I like to see.
Whoa! Don't whoa!
Oh, it's
Stop! It. What were you about to say?
it's obstacle avoidance.
Oh, okay. It avoids stuff.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, now it's the regular drive mode. Ooh, I feel like the speed is faster.
Come back! Come back! Whoa! 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 Where are you going? Wait, are you doing that? What? You like that?
Wow, it's an 8.
Wait, what?
So okay.
Yeah?
It's yes.